In this video, I'll be going over the customizable options to make the app your own. Starting here with the login screen, you can change the image or color of the background. Place your own logo here and change out the color for the icons on the initial screen. Throughout the app, you can have your own colors for the buttons as well as the header for each tool. While we're here on the Life Quotes tool, you can edit the defaults. So if you wanted to have a different product or payment method as the default, you can do that. You can also change the label for the tobacco tool. So if you wanted to say nicotine instead, we can swap that out. For each tool, you can change the label, and if you have your own icons you'd like to use in place of our defaults, you would just send those to us and we can swap them out. The changes you make to the labels applies to the header and in the menu. You can add and remove any of the tools from the menu and adjust the color and logo for the menu header. In the underwriting pre-screener tool, you can adjust the success message to be what you would like it to be. Another adjustable message is in the consumer quoting tool at the beginning of the app. You can change the intro message and the success message at the end. The consumer quoting tool has an option to search for an agent. You can change the wording on that button as well as the label at the beginning of the agent search. You can have agent search at the beginning of the questions or at the end of the questions, or you can remove it altogether, in which there would just be one button saying start instead. Another alternative is you can remove the consumer quoting tool altogether and you just have the one login screen into the agent tools. One last alternative view is if you'd like to have a home screen instead of jumping right into a tool like the Life Quotes tool, you can do that. And all of these changes would be, you just need to communicate them to our fulfillment team and we'd be happy to make those changes for you. Most of the changes can be done without an app update, but if you're adding or removing images, we would need to submit an update to the stores.